bump this up to 8. Okay. All right, 8 is pretty good. Plus 8 decibels should be good. Good morning, everybody. It's Alex. Sorry we're starting a little late today. Just my schedule's a little screwed up. I'm staying from home because I'm having some really bad wrist pain. It's usually forearm tendonitis from just like grinding too hard. um, so gonna be home. We've got till 9 to play, have fun, do all sorts of fun stuff, and then I'm gonna be icing my arms like the rest of the day. Try to get some work in. If you'd like to join me for any of that, if any of that sounds fun to you, all you need is your drink of choice. Today, we've got a little special one here. This is yellow tea. This is a really cool type of tea I picked up in on my many world travels. Yellow tea is known as like the rarest type of true tea. It was the method for it was lost for many years and then rediscovered, but it's so difficult, so special. This was considered to be like the tea they would give to the emperors and stuff. This is the very imperial tea. So as we drink our yellow tea, we'll feel like a real baller, which is what we need this morning. So have your sip. Okay. All right. So we were still in the middle of my voice is kind of effed up too. Trying to figure out why we are crashing here on and not loading the uh font file correctly. Um, because we are able to load it once. We are able to load a file for the sprite atlas. That's the first load we do, and then the second one is loading the true type font. And for some reason, that one is giving us invalid handle value here as we go and send this in. So this is our path here, and then or actually I want like star wide. No. uh, if we look at wide in our if we look at wide in the memory window, we'll see it is like the full value here, and it does look like it's being spaced out about too wide, which is the same as what is going on with the other one. So I guess I'm just like looking here and trying to like deduce what exactly is the damage, because as far as I know, that is the correct path. Like it is at that spot. Now it is possible. This is the one I like just caught. Like I ripped uh out of Mac OS. We just like dumped it into our repo just so we could have it on hand. Um, and so I don't know why it's not working. We can open it, but maybe that is not the same permission set we would need to or that we're trying to use. Uh, could Could very well be. There could be something wrong here, right? Uh, users. No, so we should be able to read it. Um, which should be the only thing we need to do, right? And that's what we're doing right here. So we're doing file share read, blah, blah. generic read. And this was also not working when we were just pointing to the path of the installed version of the font in the Windows directory, which is a little odd. Yeah, that's like already hurting. Um, so we might not make it all the way till 9, unfortunately. But I do want to try to like get this done. Because that would be. I don't want to be fighting this for like 3 days straight. Uh, so what is the problem? What is the problem? Like, really does not like that. Because the other one I do of this, the other font load where we are trying to get the sprite atlas. So this would be the sprite atlas one. This is going to correctly. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, I guess it does not actually huh. That's that's weird. Why would it do that? Why why would it do that? So, hmm. Hmm. Because like the whole point of doing this is to have it be a wide string now. To null terminated wide. So what are we looking at? Yeah, this is like an 8-0. So but this one's not erroring out when I try to allocate it. Oh, because it's just hitting that path, and then it's like, okay. Okay, well alright, that makes me feel a little better that it's not magically not working for that one file. Um, okay. So yeah, we just don't have as good a check here in this one to tell us if the thing failed out. Okay. So let's think. Um, we are failing to get that file handle for some reason. For some reason that is not working. Uh, and we're pretty confident that the UTF-8 that we passed in to the path is good. We're pretty confident too that the UTF-16 that this generates is good too. I mean, just looking at it, it looks right. Why would that not be right? I'm gonna consult our friend Mr. Jippity. Why would it not work? And then we will also look at that create file W. Why getting valid handle value. And so we also just want to look at W. Let's see. Let's see here. So where are the return types? Yeah, so we do want this one, obviously. We want it to be able to read. If this flag is not specified, but the file device has been open for read access, the function fails. So I suppose it could be open. I don't think it's open, but it could be. Creates a new file only if it does not already exist. If the specified file exists, the function fails. The last error code is error file exists. Okay, so that's very, very likely. Well, that could be the problem there, right? It could be we're just opening it with the wrong thing here. File attribute normal. Yeah, that's what we would want. I bet it's going to be this create one. If I were to guess, if the function succeeds, yeah. Oh, so if it fails at all, it just gets that, and then you have to get last error. Okay. Well, all right. Let's just set it to open existing for now. Um, not that one. Creation equals 0, but we want to. Oh. Huh. Devices other than files. So 0 is not even like a real value. Okay. Okay, let's try that. And then we will go see what Grok told us. I bet you it's gonna be exactly this though. Oh, never mind. Totally wasn't. Totally wasn't. Um, how do I kill this, please? Uh, so yeah, I guess the only way is I have to do get last error. And then we'll find out. Oh, actually, that did work. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. So let's take a look here then. Did the other one work, do you think? Let's look at mem. So if we look at Atlas, oh yeah, Atlas, look, it got the correct metadata there for and it got a D3 D11 handle. So that looks good to me. I mean, that looks correct. Okay, so where is this going to fail then? Is the question. So if we're to look here, if we're to look at TTF dot data. So if we look at the memory window, we should see this. Let's see. That does kind of look. I'm pretty sure that's what this is supposed to look like. Because that definitely looked like a header. And then I recall there's like a lot of V's and stuff that's supposed to be in there. I think that is the correct thing we're looking for. I think that's like the correct raw TTF in data. So okay, we should look in here. Okay. So, all right. So we're up to here. We're up to here where we're sending it to the GPU, which is good. Okay. Um. Okay. Oh, so that did all work now. Okay, that's excellent. Let's go see what Grok said. Grok definitely said to do that. Uh, yeah, Grok totally said to just do that. Um, um, yeah, I think we just like copy pasted ourselves into some stupid version of things that didn't work, which is fine. So, all right, let's try to find where we hit this bug here. I suppose I could be breaking on how do I don't remember in this debugger how I just break on exceptions. Um how how do I uh condition no to a function no address no uh um um hmm hmm. All right, we don't need these ones anymore. Uh let's see. I don't know if yeah, I don't know if Remedy PG just has oh wait. Auto break oh, that's for coloring stuff. I don't care about that. Well, okay. Uh, uh all right. Now, oh well. Oh well, we'll just have to keep going. Ah, interesting. So we skipped all of that. I'm assuming all of our time calling is wrong. That's totally a problem. So if we look at uh mem world time last here. So time start, we got time last. Delta t is that much in milliseconds. Is that correct? I think that's totally not correct. That's totally not how you spell accumulator. So yeah, accumulator is not big enough. Which is okay. Then if we hit DX11 render, ah, ah, so it totally is not like that. Us, because we never, I don't think we ever did our DX11 create. So none of that uh, memory has been set up yet. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. We were to direct our gaze here. Oh no, it has been. Oh no, it's being knitted right there. What the hell? So, am I missing something here in so graphics window init? It's called in game init. Yeah, and that's what we want. Um, hmm. Hmm. Why did it why did it not work? Let's let's try breaking on that and see what G vertex buffer is. 'Cause it looks like it just tried to map like some bull crap, right? Is the whole problem. Okay. So yeah, it's a null pointer. Why is it a null pointer though? I couldn't tell you. I think they are all null pointers. Oh, that one's not. That one's not. That one's not. That one's not. Uh, so who is responsible for knitting those? They should be in DX11 create to actually go generate that. It may be. It's very possible that the problem is if I can personally find where this tries to alloc the v buffer, and then I will tell you my interesting theory here. Well, not very interesting, but I will tell you my theory. Okay, here we go. So, uh, input layout. Um, oh no. So we do create the buffer. We are creating the buffer here. Hmm. We're never checking the return call. Let's just make sure that hits that. Never does. Okay, so it's failing. It's failing to even hit that. Oh, you know what? We probably have a shader compile issue that is that's bailing us out before we hit that point. If I were to guess, yes, yes. So the vertex shader is erroring. So we want to see why. Um, yeah. So there. Oh, interesting. Look at all this like junk in here. Sh Shark. The shark in there. Shark swimming around in my memory? I don't think so. Um, PowerShell telemetry opt out. Wow, this has like so much crap in it. Okay. All right. So vertex shader not compiling. Uh, which is okay. We kind of very. And this is why we kind of wanted to also move this. I guess this is a good opportunity as any to move our shaders out of string literals and try to actually compile them. Um, one moment, I have to respond to a work message here. Okay. Yeah, because this is like, um, this is another thing that just keeps becoming a problem and costing us time here, is to fight with doing the shaders this way. So I say, let's stop doing that because it's dumb. It's dumb. It makes me mad. And yeah. So actually, I'm going to clone because I don't have on this computer Ted's 2D pixel art game template. Do I have his? No. All right, let's go on GitHub. Hopefully, I'm signed into GitHub here. Okay, excellent, excellent. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look in here somewhere. There we go. And we want this repo right here. Because I'm pretty sure he's got it. Uh, and I think Ooga Booga actually also has the correct way to do the shaders. Um, actually, it might not. I may be mistaken. Oh no, Charlie does have like a in HLSL how to shader here. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna pour myself another cup of tea and then we'll get right into this. Okay, so all right, we're gonna want to do a couple of things here. So I certainly want to yes install HLSL. Yes, would like that to work. We want a like HLSL. Oh, there's none. Oh, um, hmm. Is there a direct DX? Um, hmm. Is there like a Vulkan? No. There's no Vulkan thing? Oh, that sucks. Alright, what is Alex? Who knows? Okay, that kind of stinks. Uh, not that we have one before, but it would be nice. Mm-mm. It would be nice if we could get the tooling fixed so that I can actually figure out what the thing is. Oh, what is this? Why OSX? Okay. Uh, uh, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the exact same list of problems we have. Oh, here we go. Slanged. Um, let's try. Let's try slanged. Let's see. Um, oh, oh, Why would they not keyword that to a real thing? And why? Who the hell came up with this? Who the hell made slanged uh the shader lang? Okay, that one makes sense. But then why is slang server for FPGA stuff? Man, ah, that's that. What a miss there. That's really lame. Okay, okay, but we probably want this one. So let's see. Slang is failing CI, so that's excellent. Excellent, excellent. How does it? So it knows like all of these. That is, like how? um, Pre-built binary package. Um, Well, I mean that's kind of most of the stuff we want in that one. Oh, CUDA. Oh, interesting. Okay, okay. So I suppose we will use that. Shall we look if slanged is just available on Choco? No. Oh, Windows. Oh boy, Windows. But they don't tell you, they're like, everyone's like, oh yeah, oh, Linux, you have to build everything from source. Oh, it's so annoying to just get the thing on Linux. Oh, fucking on Windows, it's like impossible to get the thing. You know, I can download this binary and then it's gonna live somewhere stupid forever, and I have to trust this binary just works. um, and that, just no fun, no fun at all. Yeah, and then they don't even have like a. Where is it? Where's the Windows? Here we go. Here we go. We don't want any of those ones. Why would I want the Windows tard? You know? Come on, man. Doesn't make any sense at all. Uh, we just want the real one. And then we have to just figure out where to put this thing. So, what do I have in here? Unzip slang. This is gonna really pollute my downloads folder, unfortunately. Imagine. Yep. Yep. Maker slang. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Uh, okay. Cool. Cool. Um, that was pretty boosted there, but no, it's all right. Okay. So now, we have to put this on. Wait, is there? Oh, there's like a ton of license on. We have to put this in path. It's very annoying. Oh boy, I have not missed Windows at all. I have not missed having to do all this bullcrap. Okay, because like I don't think I even have. Yeah, I don't have like a good way to do it. So see, slang slash bin. Okay, we're gonna assume that is the correct one. Make sure it is the correct one. That's good. Um, okay, so now that should just be available. So we will download that. Big. Oh, is it? Did it just do it for? Oh, god damn it. All right. Well, I guess we actually don't need that anymore. Yeah, and that's the kind of annoying thing with using NeoVim for a bunch of stuff like this is you kind of it's a little creepy. NeoVim's just like downloading giant binary packages somewhere into like your somewhere. Um, yeah, it's just I don't know. Uh, Having to go and manage like a number of LSPs yourself, especially on Windows, it's just so irritating to download this stuff. And make sure it's an in path, make sure it's all the right thing. Um, Blah blah blah. So, all right, what I want to see is let's see if so that is highlight indent. Okay, so that's good. That's what we want. Okay, slanged is installed. So let's see if it like actually will run on an HLSL file. That would be good, right? So it really looks like it's not running. Um, now what do I have to do? I have to do like LSP. Uh, excuse me, excuse me. Uh, let's see. Is it like I have to check health to see what thing is attached? I know this is like really unfortunate. LSP info. That's what I thought. LSP confirm. I think I like got rid of that one. Just kind of lame. Um. Oh, here we go. I can see it. So clanged. Oh no 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 active clients. So why not? Am I just like missing slanged? Oh really? Unknown file type HLSL. Hint file type extension not equal. What? Uh, is it not liking that I'm not in that route correctly? All right, so we want to do check health vim.lsp. Yeah, so no active clients. Um, so why is that not working? It's really irritating. I just I just wanted to do my stupid stuff. Oh shit. Good. Oh, so I guess I need to just have it in there. It doesn't auto. Oh, okay, I see. Uh, okay. I did want this. It doesn't work. Highlighting. Yes, install like so. Um. Oh, what the hell? Oh, because it's open on another one. Yes. Let's enable HLSL. No. Ugh. It's so annoying. I just really don't want to have to get bogged down in all this bull crap. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that, alright, well, so I suppose, I've got to add that to Treesitter and also to Mason. Oops. Okay, so we will add that. So you can just put it right here. Oops. Okay, I'll put it also in this one, I guess, just because it should probably be in both. Oh, whoops, that's not going to help us. And there we go. There we go. Aha. Ha. Excellent. I knew this was a thing. Okay, so slang now finding it. Excellent. That is what we want. That is That is all we can ask for. We can worry about like includes and crap at some other point. Okay, so we want to now I want to go back to our real project here. So we want to e source slash we want the d3d11 shader.hlsl. Okay, and then we will go grab those from in here. So we need to get rid of all this string literaling crap. Okay. um this doesn't like the this doesn't like the type we have on here. Um we're likely missing like an include somewhere or not. I wonder how you are supposed to do this. Always having fun with shaders. Always a fun time with shaders. Okay, so let's see. I think this would be a good thing to try to get over with here. Um uh, mm, mm, mm. I think Charlie also has this shaders in here somewhere. Yes, he does. Oh, I guess uint is not a real uint32 is not a real type in HLSL. It's very possible. We can look. Oh shoot. Couldn't find it. HLSL uint 2 type is a valid type. Oh, it's just uint. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we do that. Well, that is not. That's probably the error we're looking for. So okay, we had main. Oh, you know what? Now these are both named main. So we want vertex. Oh, do these have to be named main? It's possible they have to be named main. Ah, crap. How do I compile my vertex shader? UHL so shaders need name. No. Okay. So we should do it. Make them smaller. This thing. We can make that VS main or whatever. Oops. Okay. Cool. Cool beans. And then, we want to just delete this from here because we're getting rid of that stuff. And then we're going to find a whole bunch of problems. How to compile. Oh, not that one. Uh, this one is yes. Main. So let's see. Source code. Uh, kind of. Uh, because I think that's still how I'm doing things on metal. No, not in there. Um, I think uh, I don't think I'm actually compiling it ahead of time still. I think I'm compiling it. Yeah, we're just compiling it with, from the path here. Oh, just by passing it in a string. So I suppose we could just do that here too. That's probably what we will end up, I guess. So we could do that. The S bulb. Yes, blob. What is this being used for? Create vertex shader. Buffer. Okay, no, that's where the compiled. But we don't want that. So we want to do. We'll just stick it in G vertex shader, right? So, um, I mean, I guess, right? In reads bytes. Yes, 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 yes. Read, read from chill file. Hmm. Yeah, so that's all we're gonna do. We're just gonna open up all of that baloney, which I suppose we can simply just do with our file IO stuff. Okay. Okay. All right. We'll do it like that. Um, does this need to be like that, or just has to be a void star? Okay. So yeah, we don't really need it to be like that, and I don't think we're gonna need it to keep it kicking around anyway. So we'll do like a OS read file. Um, what is it called? Called path result allocator. So we want to do C slash uh okay, pretty horrible. Pretty horrible. Well, we'll have to we really should fix that at some point. Slash D3 D11 later. So oh oh. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know if that's going to be right. Uh, didn't like that. Oh, because we are not doing that. No matching function call. Um, da, da, da. So I think we should get rid of those ones. Probably. Probably. Dot. Data? Count. Oh. Um. I suppose it wanted that after all, didn't it? Okay, so we will do string, uh, shader string, it's fine. Oh, uh, count, okay. And then, we will do same thing here. Okay, well, let's see if that works. We actually want to be in here looking if the shaders compile. So let's see. Did not hit that. Uh, oh. Oh, you know what? Because we're going to go there. So we go on a step through here. Ah, it didn't fail. Well, that's good. Okay. Well, that's good. They successfully compiled, which we love to see. We love to see that. Okay. Uh, going. Program is learning because continue is clicked. So where the hell is it now? Where are we in execution? Uh, let's try to figure this out. So we should be now getting into TX11 render. Um, let's see. Let's see. So we want to see what is going on here. So we're getting here. I'm a little confused. Oh, look, it's so we're going through turning the quad buffer into the V buffer correctly. That will take a while. No window though. No window is not good. No window means that something's gone horribly wrong here. My guess, I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick. My guess is the Windows style bit mapping we did is probably screwed up somehow. So let me go pee, and then we will investigate that. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So we are not we are not opening a window, which is not great. We want to be opening a window. Um, yeah, and I think really it's like this is where we should be opening a window, right here. Um, and and it simply does not seem to work. Uh, I think if we look here, I want to see what this is. So, I mean, that does look like there's a bunch of crap up at the top there. And then at the bottom, there is this WizX window edge. I mean, it could be not opening anything because it's just not accumulating enough time, I suppose. Still. But it should be after this point, right? We should have gotten into the condition where stuff actually happens. Um, yeah, because if I were to like break right here, yeah, we're hitting that point. So we are accumulating enough time. Um, yeah, I'm pretty. Yeah, it's definitely the style packing. Okay, so okay. Should about I don't know. Okay. Shut up. No. Damn. Um, it's really annoying that I have to do this for really really sucks. Thought it would be nice and clever. Okay, so the packing I think was good. The unpacking is probably the problem. So that one's good, right? Yeah, that one makes sense. High 32 bits. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's totally wrong. Um, yeah, 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 that's totally wrong. Oh, the game's open. Haha, window open. Oh, looky here. Something. We've got contact. Ooh, it is mad sketchy. All right, so couple things. Well, let's commit that. So that's pretty good. Um, oops, oops. Uh, let's see. Window. Running. Texture. Uh, texturing. Sure. Broken. Uh, thing held up. So, all right, we've good. That's good. We've progressed the problem. We are pretty close, I think, to having the Windows version of things working here. Um, let's see. So, yeah, this. All right. So let's see what's going on here. So, yeah, obviously the textures are not getting mapped. We should look at render doc to see exactly what's happening though. No, I don't want the update. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and let's take a look. Uh, okay, no, we want this. And in this draw call here, hmm, So look at that. So the GPU has the textures correctly, so that's good. We would like to see the mesh viewer. Yeah, that all looks like it's correctly generating all the stuff. That should not have changed. So it should just be the the whole problem should be, and we even have the correct vertex layout. It looks like, which is very good. That's very good sign. So why would it not? Why would it not want to do that? Why is it not like sampling from that correctly? Um, so I think I may have changed. Atlas ID gets passed into this stuff. That's very possible. Um, that's very possible that that is not working, and it could also theoretically be how the shaders are getting binded now. But unfortunately, we're out of time for today. That's my gotta go gotta go do some other work job. Alarm. So next time, or actually, well, let's see. Maybe I can do some of this tonight. We're so close to having Windows work again, and then like once we're there, then Windows and Mac port of the game just keep working until and are like pretty good in lockstep until we start wanting to add uh, brand new features we didn't have before, like sound, or if we want to kind of mess with the how the shaders work, which is very likely going to happen at some point. Um, we because I mean even like just for prototyping stuff, like it doesn't look super fantastic. It's like very basic effects here, but as soon as we start to want to add like dynamic lighting into the scene or something, which I think actually just like thinking it through would be something that uh it could very easily see happening. That's going to be a lot of shader work there. And then it's probably worth it to try to figure out, hey, how much of that do we want to be in a platform specific implementation, or do we want to try to solve for something that will be a little bit more portable? So that's pretty much it for me for today. Uh, we have to figure out why that's so unresponsive. I assume we're just choking out the Windows messaging loop with the way that we are looping around in there, unfortunately. So we'll have to play around with that. Um, but all moving the problems forward, solving stuff, been doing good. So thank you all very much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and